Hey, little buddy, are you ready to draw today?
Not really. I don't have anything to draw with.
Here, just use a pencil. All right, Grover Cleveland, today we're going to do a vase with sunflowers in it. And we're going to start with the vase itself. I'm going to start with a straight line. This is the top of the vase. And we can come down from the point, somewhat a diagonal. You can see that's coming in a little bit, but it's not getting all the way to the middle. And we're going to try to do the same thing at the other side, both going inward, right? This is going into the line, this is going into the line. Sometimes kids will accidentally go the wrong way and make it a volcano. That's not what we're doing today. Now we're going to do a curved line. Oh, let's start with this. Let's go all the way to the bottom, wherever you want the bottom of your vase to be, and we'll do a longer line. Okay, try to keep it centered with this line, though it should be wider. So this is a longer line than this line. Now we can curve down to this line. And does it need to touch the points of this line? No, it does not. We start here and curve down. Ding. Do the same thing here. Ding. All right. And this will be our table. Hey, nice table, man. Thanks. All right. Now, with my sunflowers, I'm going to actually start with the center of the sunflowers. I'm going to put a couple circles different places. Some sunflowers are droopy, some sunflowers are standing up nice and straight, some are bigger, some are smaller. So I'm going to move them around. You see, they're not just in a row. We can put one up here. You can't even see the whole thing. All right, maybe that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. I kind of made a straight line here. Put one more to offset that. All right. Now I'm going to start the petals. Let me do kind of a close-up for you. So say this is one of my flowers. My petals are going to be 2 curved lines. Curved and it swings out a little bit. I'm going to do that again. Curved, swings out. So you can practice that if you need to. And I'm going to go all the way around the circle. Curve, swings out. Curve, swings out. And actually, let me do the rest of these so you don't have to watch. Okay, so I finished the first layer of my flower petals. So you can see I changed my color to black, but that's just because my blue marker was running out. Now I'm going to put the flower petals that are behind this layer of petals, and so you'll just see sort of a little letter V sticking out in between those. And you don't have to do each one exactly. But this way they feel more realistic. Now sunflowers, like all flowers, have their seeds in the center. And so we want to create that texture. So in the center of my flowers, I'm going to put some little dots, little lines, little dots. I'm going to show that. The next step we do are going to be the leaves on the stems. Notice we haven't done the stems yet because the stems are going to hide under everything else. Now, sunflowers have those big leaves that almost mimic the flower petals. But I'm going to just do a lot with like a straight line and then a curved and a curve to do sort of almost looks like a piece of pizza, right? So do a curve, or a straight line rather, and a curve to make a soggy triangle, say. And you can do a line down the middle. Maybe I'll put on one over here, straight lines. Behind. Fill up that space. Maybe I have one overlapping another one. Take a step step back, look at your art, see where you think you want one. Oh. Maybe there's one kind of sticking out over the pot. Okay, now I'm ready to do my stems. So the stems obviously are going to go from the flower into the pot. And what you want to do is sort of do a line and then another line close to it. And see if you can connect as many of those flowers to the leaves as you can. That one will go underneath, so we just stick it out. You see my stems are going behind other flowers and under other leaves. I have a lot of empty space here, so maybe I'll have this stem go there, this one behind that one comes down. Okay. Now, how about my vase? Guess I could do a pattern on it, huh? Well, you could do any pattern you'd like. I'm gonna do, it's called a meander line. But you can do whatever you like. And of course, these flower vases are great for coloring.